Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we're going to be asking the question, is RainX glass cleaner and rain repellent any better than using white vinegar? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean half of the car with RainX and half of the car with white vinegar. I've chosen white vinegar because it's a popular glass cleaner or general cleaner all the way around the world. It's not brand specific, so it's just going to be a quick comparison. So let's get on with the video. If at this point you could just subscribe to the channel, just tapping the icon down there in the corner, it will help me to make more videos. 90% of you are unsubscribed and it's free of charge, so if you could do that and we'll carry on with the video. So we've had some rain. I thought I'd take a look at the differences between the RainX and the white vinegar. So this is the RainX side, and going round to the back, as you'll remember, I did divide the tailgate glass into two, and to be brutally honest, I couldn't tell you a difference between right and left, right being RainX, left being vinegar. When we have a look down this side, again, not a huge difference. The only thing I could really point out is the vinegar tends to be not beading the water as well as the RainX. Go back round to this side, you can probably see it's more beady, so more likely to bead and run off than on this side, where that is doing nothing. So it might make a difference once we're up and moving. I didn't mention it before, but I haven't done the windshield. Reason being is that I have used RainX before, and it can cause the wiper blades to judder, and to be honest, you're not going to drive without your wiper blades being on, so you do want to maintain normal vision. So we've just had some heavy rain, and just thought I'd give you a brief comparison of the RainX on this side of the car compared to the water sitting on this side. So I'm hoping the camera will pick this up, but the main difference is that on the side where I've used white vinegar, we've basically got water sort of spreading out across the glass, so it's actually attached to the glass rather than beading on the glass, so it's not quite as easy to see through or to sort of shake off. Just looking at the back window, again, you'll probably see on the, looking at it from the right hand side, it's got sort of more water on it than the left. So going back to this side, you'll probably be able to see it's quite beaded, and if we sort of shake it, you'll see the water running down. So definitely is a difference between the two, and this has been about 2 weeks since I've applied the RainX, so the windows aren't the cleanest of all. Again, looking at these very small windows at the front, you can see on the white vinegar side it's a flatter sitting of water than on the driver's side. The driver's side is sort of beaded up, so it's ready to sort of blow off in the wind, or going to be easier to remove. Just thought I'd do a quick comparison on the glass now that the water has left it, and this is the side that has the RainX on, and as you can see it's quite clean. This has been on about 2 weeks and I haven't cleaned the glass since, but as you can see the glass is quite clean. There's a little bit of water up on the top here, so we'll just compare that to the other side with the white vinegar. So this is the side with the white vinegar on, and as you can see the light is sort of highlighting it a little bit, but there's quite a bit of dirt sitting on the glass and a bit of more sort of standing water. So just as a comparison, the RainX side is a cleaner piece of glass in between cleaning. So I am going to use it on the inside of the car as well. Reason being is that RainX is a water repellent, so we should be able to see how well that performs in repelling condensation. So I'm just going to do a quick comparison test on condensation. This is the side that I treated with white vinegar, and as you can see, quite a bit of condensation on this side. This is the side I use RainX on. I'm just going into the back. Now there is condensation on both of them, however, as you can probably see, there is less on the side that I use the RainX on. So definitely worth using the RainX internally as well, not only to clean the windows but to help reduce the amount of condensation in the car. I've been waiting for some frost to come along just to get a comparison to see whether it helps the removal of ice. So got our first frost, or proper frost of the year. Got an ice scraper here, and we'll just so that's the side with the white vinegar used on it. As we can see on this side, there's a different pattern to the ice formation. It's almost in the sort of swell marks that you've got from applying it. So let's just see if it comes off any easier. Yeah, so definitely is easier to remove the ice. And we'll just go back to the white vinegar as a comparison. Same thing, so yeah, so it didn't come off in one go. Repeated goes does remove it, so it's only marginal, but there is definitely a difference. I've done enough testing that I'm at the point where I can summarise my feelings on whether RainX 2-in-1 glass cleaner is better than white vinegar. So my opinion is it is definitely worth using. I paid about £6.50 for this bottle, and this is about £1.99, £2.49 for the white vinegar. There is more in there, I believe, than there is. Yeah, it's 500 versus 750. So this is much better value for money. However, white vinegar, my feelings on it, it's a great glass cleaner. However, it's not a one wipe solution. You clean it, it does get rid of stubborn stains. However, there tends to be some secondary cleaning involved to get the glass clear. This says it is a streak-free application, and so far it has been streak-free, and it has been almost like a one-wipe solution. So I love it for that benefit of just the actual sort of cleaning process, better than any other glass cleaner I've used previously. The benefit of the RainX in this is that it has done exactly what it said on the tin. It's made the water bead smaller, so I've been able to see it better, or see through it better when it's raining. The wind has moved the rain off at higher speed. It has reduced condensation within the car, not something it advertises, but I found that has been a benefit over white vinegar. And the best bit was its ability for removing frost from the glass as well. It's dead simple, literally just peels off. So loving it for that reason. Is this better than pure RainX without the cleaning thing? Well, in my opinion, yes, because it's very quick. I can apply this in a matter of minutes. With standard RainX, it's a more expensive product. You do need to apply it and then wait for it to dry, buff it off. So it's a bit of a painful process, not always suitable for doing in all kinds of weather conditions. Whereas this, even if it's raining, you can use this. It works great. So bang for buck, this is great for me. It does make me want to use RainX to get an even better hydrophobic property from the products, but so far I'm going to continue using this. Hope you found this video useful. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos. If you just click on the icon in the bottom right hand corner, you'll be able to quickly subscribe. Thanks for watching.